Welcome to my tutorials on how to build a computer. In this tutorial I'm going to run through the supplies that you'll need and the components and screws and etc on what you need to build a computer. First off, you'll need a computer case that will hold your computer motherboard. You'll need a motherboard, obviously, a motherboard slot panel, a power supply, the CPU heatsink, 2 GB of RAM, CPU, disk drive 1 and disk drive 2, in other words 2 disk drives, 3 fans, an SD card reader, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a handled Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, 2 SATA cables, 1, 2, I got them coloured, 160 gig hard drive SATA, and a 4-pin SATA adapter for the hard drive and the what is it called? And the power supply, obviously. You will need what you'll need, I just grab it. You see these 4 slots, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the card readers. Look, 4 of them. Yep, you'll need those, and you'll have the computers that I'm building already came with them, or I got them from another computer, so to say. You need 4 card covers, a CPU bracket for the heatsink, and screws.
Jack, your legs are younger than me, go and
Okay. And
sorry.
screws. That's alright, no.
Can you go and knock on Ellen's door and tell her dinner's ready?
Yep. And that's the supplies that you'll need. So all the supplies that you need, or I've got all the supplies that I need to lay it out on the floor. Screws, they already came with it. I've got some from old computers, some from new computers, some from the case itself. Thank you for watching, and hope this will help on the supplies that you need. Thank you.